Presence by Quotes Life 24.
How the subconscious mind can help you. What we summed up above is the introductory, let's just say, theoretical, chapter of the miracles of your mind. It is, by far, the most important chapter of the book since it outlines the underlying philosophy not just behind it, but also behind everything Murphy ever wrote. The rest of the book consists of about 10-page chapters, 6 in all, where the knowledge laid down at the beginning is translated into practical techniques which should help you achieve specific things, such as health. This is the longest chapter in the book, wealth and marital peace, as well as offer you guidance on overcoming bad habits and teething troubles such as alcoholism and fear. Let's speed read through these chapters, focusing mainly on the techniques Murphy reveals and describes. The subconscious mind and health. As far as Murphy is concerned, there is one, and only one, universal healing principle, namely, the subconscious mind. There is also one, and only one, process of healing, faith. The equation between the two is quite simple. Sincerely and naively believe that you can heal yourself, and your subconscious mind will believe you and do the rest of the work. This knowledge is not new, Murphy says, referring us to Paracelsus, a 16th century alchemist, and quoting twice a belief of his, whether the object of your faith be true or false, you will nevertheless obtain the same effects. In other words, if you believe in the bones of saints to heal, or if you believe in the healing power of certain waters, you will get results, because of the powerful suggestion given to your subconscious mind. It is the latter that does the healing. The witch doctor with his incantations heals by faith also. It would be, of course, too easy if you could just say I have no headache, and you stopped having headaches for the rest of your life. True, you are the boss of your subconscious mind, but tyrants are never liked by their subordinates. Also, your subconscious mind doesn't accept contradictions that easily. It accepts only what you believe and feel as true or possible. So, what you want to do is impress your subconscious mind into cooperation. In plainer words, you need to sell him the idea that you have no headache. As a friend of Murphy realized, though the affirmation I have no headache doesn't work, the declaration it is passing away does. Especially if uttered before going to sleep or in a drowsy, reverie-like state when the conscious mind gives way to the subjective part of your being, and your subconscious mind takes over. However, don't ever weaken your treatment by saying things such as I hope so, or it will be better. As Murphy says, the cellular setup of your body will follow faithfully and honestly whatever blueprint the conscious mind hands over to them via the subconscious mind. Doubt and hope are not your friends. Even worse than they are fear, hate, guilt, and inferiority, the four basic personality difficulties. At the root of everything that goes wrong in the subconscious mind. Show them who is the boss by carefully balancing out your pitch to the subconscious mind. Know that health is yours. Shouts Murphy. Harmony is yours. Become intelligent by becoming a vehicle for the infinite, healing power of the subconscious mind.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.